Howdy Hon, welcome back to the channel. This is Stephsgotit. This is day, I don't know, of self-quarantine, but I did say I was going to do 2 unboxings today. So we have, one is the Diamond Art Club. This is not one I purchased. This is actually one that was a a Christmas present to me from Shelley. So we're going to open that up because I don't think I have seen anyone unbox this one before, at least not in the YouTube circles that I traveled in. So we're going to open that one. It is a 20 by 37, so it's not very big. And the other box is going to be my newest mascara purchases. So I think I'm going to separate these into 2 videos. Remember. So this will be part 1 and this will be part 2, and hopefully they'll both be really short. So let's get down to it. All right, so we're going to open this box. I have not opened it, of course, because we're still working on Sea Buddies, and I'm still working, in addition to that, still working on Victoria Moon. So no more diamond paintings kitted up until those 2 are done. And then I'll go back to working on that gift, and maybe it'll be ready for Mother's Day this year for the person I had in mind. And we will go ahead and get that one done. Then we'll kit up something new. But in the meantime, it's still fun to open the boxes, right? So let's see what we got in here. There are beads. Whoa, isn't that tiny? Maybe I'll open 3 today because that's really tiny. All right, there's a toolkit. All right, so we're gonna put you down on the table, not the cutting table, but the stand-up desk. Or actually, we'll bring the stand-up desk up to you, and then we'll finish this unboxing. All right, so here we go. Here is the toolkit. Oh, this is weird to be able to stand up and do this. And it's just your average toolkit, and it actually says, their new thing now is it says on the kit that it is a round. So you get that same little crappy pen that everybody gives. And a squishy. I think it's been blue almost every time now. I really hope they have some other colors. I'm getting tired of blue, but that's just me. But at least they give you a squishy for these hard pens. So 3 little baggies. And oh no, wait, there are more baggies in there. 3, 4, 5 little baggies. I don't use these baggies. I like my drills in a hard little plastic container of some sort with a lid on it. I don't care for bags. We get 2 of our heart wax. They're the only one who puts their wax in a heart shape. They're the only ones that do that. I love that. And my favorite tray, drill tray, the one with the pour spout. So again, your basic drill kit, and I think the squishy rolled off the table, and that's okay. The cat will find it, or I'll find it later. So we'll put that to the side. Our scissors out of the way. And let's look at our beads, our drills first. Remember, if you hate the sound of the crinkle, crinkle alert, stop your ears for 20 seconds. They no longer put the birthdays on there, I guess. Yeah, so there you go. And it's over. Here we have this. I'm going to bring this down 1 notch. There we go. All right, so for drills, look at those beautiful bright colors. Let's start here. This was the first drill packet on the camera, so let's see how it does. We have 907, it's a shade of green. We have an orange, a light orange, that's a darker orange, and that's a blue, a lighter shade of blue. That's a purple. And 996 is a really pretty light blue. And 321 is a shade of red. It's an orange. It's really bright. AD alert! 137. So we know all ABs are under 150. So there's a little Han Solo in there. You can see, so that's pretty. We have a darker, almost burnt orange. It's a dark red, maybe even a darker orange. Another dark green with a Han Solo in there. And here's yellow, which looks like very delicious sweet corn on the cob. Oh, that's a pretty green. It's really dark. That is pretty. And 2 packets of 5200, which is white. Blanco. Alright. Let's put these back. This bag is really thick too. Let's see. Let's fold the sticky back, stick it to the table. How long does this need to be? Alright. I'm going to put that back in. So it doesn't get lost. And no matter how much you try to size it up, you still get the sizing wrong. Oh well, it's back in there nonetheless. There we go. Now let's open the painting. The bags, as always, Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle. And let's open this little itty bitty. I think it's a great size for what it is. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, let's just fold it over. Let's get all of the rolls out of it first. And you get, of course, a little instruction sheet that tells you how to diamond paint, which is always good because we're all new at some point. It's always somebody's first box. So it's good that they continue to put those instructions in there. This should act like every box and every video, every whatever is for someone who's never seen it before and doesn't know how to do it. So, here we go. Are you ready? Ta-da! It's a pineapple! And if you've been watching my channel long, then you know I am a huge lover of pineapples. That is the theme of my planner this year, pineapples and flamingos, which I have a hidden pineapple and flamingo in every monthly and weekly spread. So you can see this, it's a very colorful pineapple. All right, so you can see it has very bright colors. Look at that, that is adorable. And the box shows you what it looks like completed. There it is. Very pretty and festive looking. There we go. All right. As far as how many colors it has 16 colors. Oh, and there's your schematics, and the schematics has a picture of the pineapple as well, in case you want to remind yourself of what it looks like. There it is. We're not doing very well on focusing tonight. Maybe I'll put a little light on it. Is that better? There you go. All right. Let's see, look at those drills. This is another thing I love about the clear covers is that when you're doing an unboxing, you don't have to peel back the paper to see the drills when you want to show them in your unboxing. So there we go. Those are very clear. Look at that. You can see it very clearly on all spots. It's the top of the pineapple. if we focus there. Oh, wait, we're focusing, we're trying. Oh, there we go. So there we go. Very bright, very colorful, very pretty. And it's small enough that you can put it almost anywhere in your home or your room. Of course, it's going to go in the sewing room, maybe on the sewing room door, or maybe in the kitchen, who knows. Anyway, and even as small as this little painting is, 20 by 37 centimeters, they still put the schematics on the upper right and the upper left, I'm sorry, and the lower right. So it wouldn't be very taxing to look from, if you're working down here, to look up here. It wouldn't be very taxing because it's a small painting, but they still stuck to their norm of putting down one on the upper corner and one on the bottom corner. So I appreciate that. That's awesome. It's consistent with their brand. At the bottom, it also gives you some information about their Facebook page handles. And it used to be a coupon code on here. Yep, there is a coupon code on there also for your next purchase. So there you have it, darlings. Do what makes you sparkle and sparkle like a pineapple. Which means you should always wear a crown, always stand tall, and always be sweet on the inside. Ha, I love that. So one of the reasons why I love pineapples is that saying. I even have a pineapple on my Pandora bracelet. And I just got a pineapple for my birthday from, again, Shelley. You can tell we're best friends. So anyway, that will be it for today. I would like to wish you a happy day. And if you would like to see part 2 and see the new stuff I just ordered, then watch part 2 of this video. If not, then you can check out here. And I love you just the same. And thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, I don't know why I rolled that back up when you're still looking at the screen. If you like this video, you're always free to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, of course, you're always free to give it a thumbs down. You do you, boo, right? Thanks for stopping by. If you're not a subscriber, let me encourage you to click that subscribe button below. And while you're at it, also click the little notification bell so that you can be notified anytime that I upload a video on this YouTube channel. Whether you're a subscriber or not, thank you for coming by. With that being said, I'm going to wish you a very good quarantined night. And remember, if you are having a good day, help someone else have a good day. It's the small and simple things in life that makes life worth living. Love and shimmies, babe.